federal lawmaker has reviewed the staggering amount of public funds Nigerian lawmakers now receive for so-called constituency projects, often used to pad budgets since President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration removed the fuel subsidy. He claimed that no senator in the country currently gets less than 2 billion naira, while House of Representative members now pocket a minimum of 1 billion naira each. The lawmaker, whose name Sahara Reporters is yet to ascertain, disclosed this at a recent public gathering in Osun State while addressing members of his constituency.
National Assembly. Now, let me say something here. There is no honorable member in the National Assembly as of today. Quote me anywhere, and I'm saying it publicly. To buy honorable member, even from this federal constituency, we have 9 honorable members from Osun State. Kò sí honorable member kankan as of today, láti ìgbà tí Tinubu ti débẹ̀, tó ní constituency project less than $1 billion. Ṣẹ̀rí tẹ́lẹ̀ kò pọ̀ tó yẹn, wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní last year ni. There is no honorable member tó bá lọ sí Abuja lónìí. Bóyá wọ́n ṣe yọ subsidy, táwọn governors wá ń rí more funds. Làwọn senators and honorable members náà ní more funds. There is no honorable member in Nigeria today who has a constituency project of less than $1 billion naira. Quote me anywhere. So when you say an honorable member, tẹ ránṣẹ́ tó bá ń ṣe nǹkan, ẹ má rò pé owó ọwọ́ ẹ̀ ló fi ń ṣe o. Ṣé rí President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in his wisdom, wọ́n fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ayé kó káwọn èèyàn kó rọrùn fún àwọn èèyàn bá ṣe ní rọrùn dé náà lójúkò. And you know what he did? He increased the allocation, the constituency project from honorable members. Tẹ́lẹ̀ tó bá wá látọ̀ṣun. Honorable members from Osun, their constituency project before, constituency in capital, was less than 200 million. As of today, there is no honorable member from Osun State. Quote me, Honorable Wole Oke is now in our party. The party can make findings. There is no honorable member in Osun State who has a constituency project less than $1 billion naira. Now, there is no senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria tó ní constituency project less than 2 billion naira. We are not exposing anybody, but these are facts.
His statement has ignited fresh outrage over the deepening culture of corruption in Nigeria's legislative arm. According to him, the budget hike followed the removal of fuel subsidy under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration. The move has plunged millions of Nigerians into unprecedented hardship while simultaneously padding the pockets of political elites. The lawmaker went on to stress that now, there is no senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria with constituency projects less than 2 billion naira. However, this revelation has sparked reactions from many Nigerians. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below, and we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.